Arrived at Thompson & Smith, this Vauxhall Combo L1 H1 Pro. Very rare thing, 130 brake horsepower, finished in moonstone grey. Just delivery mileage, still under manufacturer's warranty. High specification on the Pro model. Side loading door. And the quick and easy to use flex cargo for those extra long items. Satellite navigation as standard, Apple CarPlay, digital radio, Bluetooth, auto lights and wipers, cruise control, electric heated folding door mirrors and a rear camera. All this is standard. For more information, please contact sales on 01507 602222.